the difference between algebra and regular math? Yes.
Algebra has letters.
Yes, but what do those letters mean? Good. They are variables and they represent, in general, numbers, which could be replaced by anything. So for example, if you write 3 times 2, the answer only is 6. But if I write A, B, what's the answer? Whatever you want it to be. Exactly. So if I choose A to be, pick a number. 7. And somebody else choose B, what's my answer? Or I could choose something completely different, right? That's the beauty of algebra. You don't actually have to have numbers. So let's do this. Let's do a really quick question to remind ourselves. So pick a number for A. If A is 10, B is, C is,
12.
D is 2. Now do 2A plus 5B plus C minus D. What's the answer? What? 55. Someone else can do the math? I can't do the math. Anyone else confirming? 1 confirm?
Yeah.
2 confirm? Woohoo! Okay. Okay, what if I have A plus 2B over 3C plus D equals 2 over 5? Imagine D is not given. Imagine D is not given and I have to find D. Find D. Oh, I should let you know what A's are. How do we do this? This is where cross multiplication happens. Everybody familiar with cross multiplications?
Yes.
Anybody want me to walk you through this? Remind you?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, let's do this. Okay, so cross multiplication, when you have a problem like this, you are looking for D, correct? Dr. Gross, who was a physics faculty here for 51 years, will always say, you want cheese on one side. Cheese is what the mice want. So what is the cheese in this case? D. We're looking for D, right? So we want it on one side. How do we get it on one side? We do what is called cross multiplication. I love doing that cross symbol. What that means is I will be doing A plus 2B times 5 equals 2 times 3C plus D. And my D is still red because that's the one I'm looking for, right? Do we know how to open brackets? It's called distributive property, right? So each number gets multiplied by each number on the inside. So we will get 5A plus 10B equals 6C plus 2, still looking for D. So far, so good? Now, what is A? A is 10, B is 5, C is 12. Plug in the numbers and solve. Oh, does everybody know how to move things around? Like when it goes from one side to the other? Actually, let's just do that all together. So this would be 5A plus 10B minus 6C equals 2 times D. Still looking for D? I can move that over to the other side. That means I will have 5A plus 10B minus 6C divided by 2 equals D. So is now the cheese on one side all by itself? Then just plug in the numbers and solve. That's algebra. Somebody come up with the answer, calculate. Yep.
Is it 14? 14.
Yeah, I don't know. Somebody else will have to reconfirm. I was just making stuff up. So anyone else come with B? What was it? 14.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 14 if my math is correct.
Perfect. Someone else confirm. 14, 14. We're good. Another smiley face.